So here it's my new deep fryer from Point. I have to buy a new one because my old was old and it's not good anymore, dirty, and so I bought this. I use 3.5 liter with oil, 3.5 liter oil capacity, remove basket from easy cleaning, adjustable temperature, control for perfect frying, ready and indicator lights. Okay, let us open this new fryer and take a look. There. First of all, we get a little manual here. Point 3.5 liter deep fryer with glass window lid. User manual. English, Swedish, Danish, Norwegian and Sony. There's one of the biggest electro store in my country who sell this. Here is the top. Here. Looks nice. Yeah. Good. And we take up here. So here it is. Take up like this. Some plastic around. Yes. This we put together like here. Good. We have to do like this because take out this. And here is something to open this and should put this together back here. Something like this. Yeah, okay. Here's some kind of key. I think it's a safety things. I had it before. We have to turn this. This has to sit here. Yeah, this is good. I think it's okay. This down there. Should be like this. I think so. It's a good fryer, nice fryer. There's like a lamp here. Heat, power, green, red, off, and temperature here 190, 170, 150, 130. And here's glasses so you can see what you're making. Yeah, and here's a little bit about time, but it's not so interesting anyway. Nice little fryer. And here it's maximum, like here, max up there, and minimum and max. I think it's about how much oil you can have. It's smart. So now it's dinner time again. A little manual. Lid temperature control indicator, oil tank. Yeah. Very nice.